Mark Graber. He's a visiting professor of law at Yale. Good to have you on the program with us, Professor. I want to know, first of all, is there a precedent for this filing of lawsuits before vote counting is even finished in an election?
Not really, though people who lose elections or think they're about to lose often file suits very quickly. So the mere fact that President Trump is suing is not unusual.
So do you think that any of these lawsuits could actually stop vote counting?
I doubt it. In fact, a lot of the Republican Party is not behind them, in part because they have their own elections and would like to see them counted. Trump likes to threaten lawsuits. Though while lawsuits are as American as apple pie, Trump, when things go wrong, threatens to sue people.
Yeah, we've certainly heard him talk quite a bit about that leading up to the election. I want to talk about the 2000 election because, of course, that was famously decided with the U.S. Supreme Court decision to end recounting in Florida. We certainly aren't there yet, but do you think that we could get to that level with Trump saying he wants to take this all the way to the Supreme Court? Do you see that happening?
It's possible. It's unlikely. It also depends on how many lawsuits he has to file. So if Joe Biden's margin is one state, one lawsuit, maybe that goes someplace. But if, as it now looks, it'll turn out that Trump has to overturn 2, 3 states, that's far more doubtful because any one lawsuit, if he wins, he still loses the election.
Mm-hmm.
And most of these grounds are considered legally frivolous.
And Professor, really quickly, if you can, because we're very short on time, do you think that Bush versus Gore from 2000 could become a factor as far as a precedent in any of these lawsuits?
It could be. We don't know. To some extent, if Donald Trump launches a series of lawsuits, we are in uncharted territory. There'll be innovative legal theories, which is a fancy way of saying doubtful legal theories. And we don't know what a court, which is largely Republican, is going to do.
Okay. All right. And we're going to have to leave it there. Professor Mark Graber, thank you so much for your time.